Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with IdentityIQ credit monitoring, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the IdentityIQ website. Click on the Get Started button located on the home page. You will be prompted to choose a subscription plan. Review the details of each plan carefully. Select the plan that best suits your needs. Once you have made your selection, click on the Sign Up button. Next, you will be directed to the Sign Up form. Fill in your personal information, including your name and email address. Create a secure password to protect your account. After entering your information, review the terms and conditions. If you agree, check the box to accept. Click on the Continue button to proceed. You may be asked to verify your identity. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the verification process. This could include answering security questions or entering a verification code sent to your email. Once verified, you will return to the account setup page. Provide any additional information requested for account creation. After that, review your order summary to confirm your selection. Click on the Proceed to Payment button. Enter your payment information in the required fields. Check for accuracy in your payment details. Once confirmed, click on the Submit button to finalize your subscription. You will receive a confirmation email shortly after. Log in to your new IdentityIQ account to access your credit monitoring services. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard and available features. Set up alerts and notifications to keep track of your credit status. Your subscription is now active, and you can start monitoring your credit health. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.